So welcome back, YouTube, all my YouTube people out there. Welcome back to my channel. I'm LJ, and this is Cooking with LJ. So this time, I decided to do pork chops, and I'm gonna put them in the air fryer though, and I have never done it, so I had to look up the recipe online. Pretty simple, but as you can see later on in the video, you might have to adjust your time, because if you want it a certain way, always following the directions online usually mean that it's going to be the lightest of the light, especially when it comes to cooking meat. So you might have to adjust your time to get it the desired flavor and temperature and how you like to cook. Some people like it dark, some people like it rare, some people don't like it so dark or rare. So, you know, it's experimental. But while I'm covering this meat with this egg, this egg, that's a little trick of mine. Would you please take the time out to like, subscribe, and comment on this video? Lately, YouTube have not always been pushing my videos like they supposed to, and I would enjoy it if you would like take the time out, hit that like, that subscribe. It's free. It don't cost you anything. See, you could have done it already. Did you do it this time? Did you do it that time? So first, I season this, or my mom seasoned this. Then I let the season sit for a little while, and then I came back and added my little extras. I added something else, but I ain't show you guys. So once I let those set for a little while, it was time to put them in the air fryer. And it said like make a layer, one single layer, but my air fryer is not all that big. Excuse me, my mom's air fryer. It's not all that big, but it was big enough to get 3. I just had to position them right. Now earlier, I was talking about you having to adjust the temperature and time. So in this next clip, you will see why I said you have to adjust your temperature and time. All right, so in this scene, the temperature is 350. I'm supposed to cook the chops for 15 minutes and halfway through flip them. So this is the halfway through process right here while I'm flipping them. But if you see how light they is, this is why I say you have to change your time and your temperature sometimes so you can get it the way you want it. Some people like it well done, some people like it rare, some people like it medium. Okay.
Brown.
Nice.
Thank you, baby.